Welcome! Today we're going to replace the drum in your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Allow the machine to cool for 10 minutes. Open the front cover. Pull out the drum unit. Remove the drum unit using the handles marked in green. Place the drum unit on scrap paper. Remove the replacement drum from the packaging. Remove the orange protective guards. Be careful not to touch the metal contacts. Be careful not to touch the surface of the roller. Remove the bottom guard. Remove the toner cartridges from the old drum and install them in the new drum. Verify the toner colors match their assigned slots. Replace the drum unit into the machine. Close the front cover. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.